If you want to change icon size on a Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, first of all we're gonna go to settings. Here in settings, scroll down a little bit and then go to the home screen. Over here in the home screen we have this slider which allows you to adjust the size of apps on the home screen quite easily. Besides that, if you choose a different home screen grid size, then of course this has an impact on app icons slightly, but it does as well. So for example, if you use 5x6, then app icons are going to be slightly smaller to make space for additional app in the same row. Also, if you change the display size, and then it's going to have an impact on app icons as well. So if you go to display settings and choose the, let me actually try to find it, screen zoom over here. And then here, if we move left and right, then of course we change the size of everything on our phone, but this also includes app icons. And last but not least, if we go to, well, actually we don't have to go to accessibility. In display settings, once again, we can find the easy mode, which makes app icons bigger to improve the readability. Of course, this changes the size of everything as well, just like the screen zoom or display size, but also it has an impact on app icons. Leave a like and subscribe.